In today's video, we will have an inside look at SMSRicher, a free Android app where you can earn money passively simply by receiving text. I will withdraw a payment as I just reached the minimum withdrawal amount of €1, and at the end of the video, I will also show you a few similar apps that I've been using for a while. If you wish to sign up, click on the link in the description to get a 30 cents bonus. The invitation code will be automatically filled in. Enter your email address and choose a password. Once done, click on Get Code and an email will be sent to you. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as that's where I got the code and the confirmation of my registration. Hit Report Not Spam, so in the future, you will receive emails from SMSRicher directly in your inbox. I kept hitting the Get Code button during registration, as I hadn't checked my spam folder, so I got 3 verification codes in total. Type the code in here, and then you can register and download the app. Before downloading the app, be aware that you will need to allow unknown sources applications to be installed on your Android phone. As this app is not on the Play Store, you can only download it from their website. They explain how to install third-party apps on Android devices, as you will need to allow a few permissions on your phone. You might first get a warning from your browser like this, where you simply have to click on Allow. Ignore the risk warning and click on Install anyway. You could potentially get another warning message. Simply click on Continue, and that should be it. I've been using a few similar apps for a few years now and never experienced any issues, but at least you're aware of the risks. So how do you get paid? Many telecommunication SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send test messages to foreign countries to ensure that the messages are delivered correctly. SMSRicher will provide such testing services through your phone number, and you will be paid by each SMS testing. Please rest assured that SMSRicher will never read your private messages. My personal opinion on this is that you can never be too sure about data privacy of any company on the internet. So although they state they will never read your private messages, you do have to allow many permissions once you open up the app for the first time. SMSRicher is legitimate. SMSRicher takes all necessary measures to ensure the compliance with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirement. If you're unsure whether SMSRicher is compliant and legitimate, you can check the proof of payments and reviews to many users on various platforms. GDPR is a data protection law from the European Union, but I'm not sure how we can really check whether this app is compliant or not. Now that you're aware of all the risks associated with installing third-party apps in general, let's dive into the app. I've earned a total of €1.02 so far, of which 24 cents came from receiving text through SMSRicher. Every day, you can check in here and earn 3 cents. I've been doing this every day for the past 17 days and earned 48 cents so far. On the first day you check in, you will earn 1 cent. On the second day you will earn 2 cents, and from the third day onwards, you will earn 3 cents per day just by checking in. Simply click on Check In Now, hit I see, and that's it. In the daily check-in rules, they also explain that if your streak is interrupted, the calculation will restart from the first day, so be sure to check in daily. My balance is now €1.05, as I just earned 3 cents from checking in. In total, I received 8 texts from SMSRicher and earned 24 cents, meaning you earn 3 cents per text received. On average, I receive about 1 text every 2 days, as it's been 17 days since I registered. Right now, it's only showing the 3 cents I earned yesterday from checking in, so let's refresh. And now, you can see the latest earnings. If you scroll down, you will see your entire earnings history. I earned 30 cents when signing up, because I used someone else's invitation code. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you sign up using my invitation code, you will also earn 30 cents as a welcome bonus. So now, I will withdraw a payment as promised. The only way to cash out is via PayPal. Just click All Withdrawals to include your full balance, in my case €1.05, and then click Submit. For some reason, it's showing I requested €1.04. Either way, my PayPal email address is correct, and the transfer date is at 9:07 p.m. on September 27th, 2024. My submission is under review. They would complete it within 48 hours and transfer the money to my account. Okay, so I have 1 cent left in my account. I'm not sure why they only sent €1.04 since I requested €1.05, but at least my remaining cent is still here. My cash out is now pending, so I will pause the video shortly and show you my payment proof along with how long it took. Before doing so, let me show you a few more options in the app. In the settings, under referral program, you will find your invitation code that you can share to your friends to earn more money. If you click on Invite Friends and copy the link, your friends will see your invitation code pre-filled on the sign-up page. Once they sign up using your code, you will receive unlimited commission from their withdrawals. From the homepage, they state that the commission is 30% of their earnings, so that's a pretty good referral program. Also, if your friend uses your invitation code, they will get a 30 cents welcome bonus. As mentioned earlier, the only payment method available as of today is PayPal. Here, you can contact the support if you encounter any issues. They also have a Q&A that should answer most questions that you might have. What SMS will I receive, and should I do anything? You will receive text messages containing random letters or verification codes. Here are some of the texts I received recently from SMSRicher. As you can see, they are just verification codes and you don't need to interact with them at all. Once you receive them, you can delete them from your phone if you wish. How much can I earn through the referral program? Although I already went through that earlier, what it says here seems a bit different than what they say on the homepage and in the referral program section of the app. When your friend has registered through your invitation code and received SMS messages using SMSRicher, you will receive a bonus of 30 cents, which will be credited to your account balance in 10 installments of 3 cents each. In addition, starting from the 11th time, you will receive a commission income of 1 cent each time. It's a bit confusing, but from my understanding, you get a 30 cents bonus once your friend receives 10 texts from the app. Then from the 11th text they receive, you get a 1 cent commission, which is the 30% commission they were talking about on their website. I will now pause the recording and show you my payment proof once I receive it. Right after that, I will briefly go over a few similar apps that I've been using for a while. It's been 2 days since I requested the payment and SMSRicher sent me €1.04, but there was a PayPal fee of 41 cents, so I only received 63 cents in total. I've also logged into my PayPal account and you can see the amount was transferred minus the PayPal fees. Unfortunately, high PayPal fees are common, so I recommend waiting until you earn more on SMSRicher before withdrawing. Back to SMSRicher, it also shows my cash out was completed, and I checked in twice since then, so I earned another 6 cents. However, I didn't receive any new text from SMSRicher in the past 2 days. For some reason, the app sometimes stops working, and you need to go here. Click on your SIM card, enter your phone number in the international format, and get a new code to activate your SIM card on the app. The verification code is automatically entered in the app as soon as you receive it, and that's it. Your SIM card should be active again. It happened 3 or 4 times since I started using the app almost 3 weeks ago. So I will now briefly show you a few similar apps that I've been using to earn money completely passively. Let's start with Money SMS. I currently have €13.85 that I could technically withdraw at any moment, but I'm waiting for the amount to be higher. You can see I withdrew several times from this app before. In the past 30 days, I received 85 texts from this app. Most of them were received in the past week or so, and especially on September 27th, where I received 24 texts in 1 day. Here are some of the texts I received from them. They are usually verification codes, similar to SMSRicher or any other apps that I will go through. The earnings per SMS received is 2 cents here. That means I earned €1.70 in the past month. It's not much, but it all adds up if you use all the apps that I will show you. Next, we have Make Money, where I currently have $2.19, and I need to earn another $2.81 to request another payout. In earnings, you can see that each SMS received adds 5 cents to your balance. I've also received a few payments from Make Money over the years. Next, MobiRich is an app I reviewed last year. Some of these apps will ask you to set your default SMS app to be able to open them. Currently, Inbox is my default one, which is the one for another app that I will show you in a minute. In this case, I have to select MobiRich. I currently have 94 cents, and in the Balance tab and Withdrawn History, you can see I got a payment from them back in March 2024, and I just requested a new payout a few days ago of a bit over €84. On October 1st, you can see I received the amount minus some PayPal fees. In total, I got €79.89, and you can see that in my PayPal account as well. Next, SimCash is another app I use. Again, I have to change my default SMS app to SimCash this time to open it up. I currently have a bit over €72 that I could withdraw to, but I'm waiting for it to go a bit higher as I want to withdraw directly to my bank account, and there's a high fee to do so. The other withdrawal options here are mostly cryptos, where fees are much lower, but I prefer to get cash directly in my bank account. Next, RepaysMe, formerly known as Coinbox, is another similar app I use. Again, I need to change my default SMS app. This time, the one I need to choose is Inbox, as that's the default one for RepaysMe. Here, I have $64.80, so I could also withdraw at any time. So these are all the passive income apps to receive or send text automatically that I use at the moment. If you're interested and would like to know more, make sure to go to my YouTube channel type Money SMS for example in the search bar, and you will see all the apps that I just mentioned. To sum up, SMSRicher is another passive income app where the earning potential is not extremely high, but as it's 100% passive, I will continue using it on top of all the other ones that I just mentioned. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you soon.